How to Create a Glitch Monologues Season 8 Chapter 7. This is Episode 7 of How to Create a Glitch in the Matrix Monologues Season 8. In this episode we will be talking about the concept of deference and showing how physiological processes reflect its accumulation and also its social significance. To reiterate, deference is a one-way link between two minds created by verbal direction or body language or physical territoriality. When two people interact and they exhibit dialectical reactions, those reactions create social tension. This social tension is released by mirroring, which follows when the dominant exhibits postural releases in response to the actions of the tonic. People will recapitulate their postural releases in response to social tension when they encounter the tonic in sociality. This recapitulation affirms the deference and preserves the link between their minds. How does this work in practice? Well, deference means that you will enact the expectations of another due to their social status. You will, for example, dress as they expect you to dress, or move the way they expect you to move, or laugh the way they expect you to laugh. You will act out according to the established conditioning of your body language. But again, how does this work, you ask? Well, when you release social tension through postural releases, that action is preserved in your muscle memory and linked to the associated person, preserved in the mind as an unconscious one-dimensional link from their mind to yours. But the link, once established, produces physiological changes in you. Because it is a sign of your affirmation of another's dominance, it links your deferent action to a flight or fight response, resulting in sympathetic nervous system activation, adrenaline release, increased skin conductance, sweat, and body odor. Thus, the recapitulation of that link calibrates one physiologically. The preservation of that link through one's archetypal associations and constellation becomes highly relevant to the ordinary functioning of one's body in socially relevant ways. The principles of substitution and displacement, created and triggered by physical territoriality, body language and invading someone else's body space, reaffirm deference, linked to muscle memory and the physiological processes explained earlier. When deference is threatened, the result is a spatial intersection of the two actors to re-establish the link through physical territoriality or body language. Eliminating deference is about eliminating the social cues that trigger its affirmation. This involves breaking continuity, whether spatially or in one's behavior. Breaking deference is about eliminating those intersections which preserve it, and the predictions or expectations that revive it. Social hierarchy is constructed out of the basic building block of deference. It ensures the unconscious cooperation of members of the same institution or group. That's the end of the podcast for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment and subscribe.